So today's video, I was just going through TikTok and people always tell me, oh, you should check TikTok shop, like them microphones, blah, blah, blah. And I'm always like, don't think they'd be good quality. Like for like £4, £6, like they're really gonna be good quality. So I took the plunge. My package came today. So these are, and the reason why I got is because they really reminded me of the Hollyland locks, the little round circle one. So look, have a look. So yeah, basically they're little round circles. I haven't even opened it, they're still in the packet, like still fresh. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna take the risk and see if they're any good. So obviously using my iPhone, you never know. Like for example, the other day when I was doing that shoot on the last video, which once again, actually I'm using the 30mm now. 30mm? Once again, I'm using the 20mm, which is on the ZV-10, which now becomes a 30mm. So let's actually have a look. Let's actually unbox these now. I'm using them Rode mic today because the other day the audio was just crap. So I was like, I'm gonna use a proper microphone. Everyone likes the old Rode Video Micro. It's a great little mic. Right, okay, I finally got the wrapper off. So straight off the bat, packaging feels like absolute crap. Just TikTok for you. Okay. Wow, these are diddy. Look at the size of these. Look. I can't take this autofocus on Sony. It's just mental, bro. Look. Wow. No joke. These are tiny. One of my clients is calling me now. It's 9 o'clock at night, bro. Why are you calling me? By the way, happy Halloween. It's Halloween. Wow. These are diddy. So this pack I got comes with 2. So I've got 2. Look how small. They are so small. Do you think they'll work? Oh, they're working. Oh, they're flashing. Oh, look, they stick together. That's actually quite sick. And here's the receiver, like every other TikTok microphone. Wow. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm a little bit gassed. So yeah. As people, yeah, if you don't know the word gas in the UK, slang for excited. Then we come with a little USB cable. So, wow. I'm actually pretty shocked. I'm more shocked at how small they are. So if they are actually as good as they look, then hopefully we might be onto a winner. But let me just show you how they come. They literally came like this. So they're packaged quite well. You can see them flashing. Mental. Yeah, I've got my phone on me, yeah. I'm not even joking. I'm actually a little bit excited. This is mental. All right, let's have a look. I might actually switch over and use this instead. So that plugs in there. Oh, we're flashing. Oh, I think that means it's connected. So it started to flash. Oh, this is jokes. Let's turn one of these TX off. I think I'm going to switch over and use my new microphone and my new. Where is the actual bit that it takes it? I'm guessing it's at that side. Oh, it's there. It's got a little grill. So if I put that there, oh yeah, I'm not even joking. I'm actually a little bit excited. Do you know what we can actually do? I'll do both and do a split screen. So if I go video now and then record myself, okay. How does that look? Because I've got a ring light. This is my girlfriend's ring light. So I don't know if that's even, am I even in focus? I think so. Yeah, it should be. So here we go. So this is the audio from the Rode mic. And then this is the audio from these mics. Hopefully this is, yeah, it's recording. Hopefully you can hear, we'll see what it sounds like. But if these are really good, mate, they should make a little 3.5 jack for these. And then you can plug it straight into a camera. These are diddy. Look at the size of that. Mate, these cost me like £6.40. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do a little playback. The Rode mic, and then this is the audio from these mics. Hopefully this is hopefully you can hear. We'll see what it sounds like. But if these are really good. Okay, doesn't sound that great, but for £6, I don't know what to say really. Are they worth £6? I'm guessing they are. I'm guessing they probably sound better like this, but that is tiny. But what you could probably do is what some people do. I reckon it'll work through the hat. No, it's too thick. To find some way to like attach it. I don't know what to say. Maybe with a little bit of tweaking, the audio might sound alright, but I'm just amazed how small it is. I actually feel like alright quality as well. So the microphone is there, if you can have a look. Can you see that? Like a little grill. A little tiny grill. I honestly don't know what to say. They were £6.74. Right, so we're testing the mics again. Yeah, do a little check. Mic check. This is on the forward-facing camera, so I'm literally vlogging myself. Yeah, what do you think? Any good? No? I feel like I was a bit close earlier. Don't know if you've got to be here or like maybe a bit there or there. I've got both on at the moment. Surround sound. Do these both? Does both sound better? Yeah. There you go. Maybe they are worth it. You tell me. There's the video. You can watch the video yourself. See if you prefer the audio from the Rode or prefer the audio from the phone. But yeah, I'm JK. See you next one. Happy Halloween. Peace.